Okay, I've completed another part of the project. I've made all of these so they hinge up and stay open. Now, this is the first time that I can actually pull my batteries out without having to go over the top. So, I've made everything redone. All of these are different. Put some handles on here. Put some stay clips on here. I'd like to show you this hinge is the exact same hinge that's over here on a 1927 Cadillac. They just pop open like this, look, and then you just push this and it stays. There's one on each side. But it's the same, look, it's the same exact hinge rebuilt. Just take it and push it. There's a 1927 Cadillac. The car now is fully accessible. Now these two little side ports make it so you can change the flat tire from the top up. It's a huge amount of hinging here, but I'm a carpenter, and that's what I like to do. There's one last set of hinges over here. Pop open the seat like this. You can access the radio. There's room for a lot more batteries on this car. I just don't have that many on here right now. And I'd like to show you. It gives me the feeling like I could fly in this car with wings here. Thank you very much.